When I wake up in the morning and I go online, I'm looking for something crazy to blow my mind. Can't look away cause you're addicted, so incredible you can't resist it. You are watching, you are watching. Are you ready to play? Troom, troom, friends.
I've been waiting for my friend for a long time. She's late again. At last, she comes. Where have you been? She gives a gift to pacify me. It's a box of pink candy drops. Sprinkle strawberry candy drops with a spoonful of flour. Shake well. The flour on the candies looks exactly like powdered sugar. Open the box and taste a candy drop. It tastes like flour. Is she going to bake them? I don't think so. She's more likely to prank me again. Anyway, I like her creativity, so I forgive her with this little trick. What a wonderful day! It's a perfect time to treat my friend with my special chocolates. Melt chocolate in a microwave. Roll up cotton balls. Dip them into the chocolate. Place them on foil and let them cool. You can put them in the fridge. I treat my friend with the tempting chocolates. I take a real piece for myself while she gets the cotton one. Oh, she seems to dislike the cotton taste. I'm afraid she's going to take revenge. It's time to run away. It appears to be a challenge to escape. As soon as she notices me, she immediately uses her chocolate weapon. She makes me her target and obviously succeeds. She would win a gold medal at throwing chocolate cotton balls in the Chocolate Olympics. Meanwhile, she's training on me. Ouch! I've got a hit on my head. Brushing your teeth is something of an essential morning ritual. Let's add some sensory acuity to the daily routine. Squeeze a little mustard to put into the paste tube. Press it on the sides to get the paste put inside. Put the tube into a toothbrush cup. Your friend squeezes the paste onto her brush. Well, why does it smell like mustard? No, I'm not going to brush my teeth with the weird stuff. My friend is definitely involved. Why hasn't she pushed a sausage into the tube? It would be a real toothpaste hot dog. Red caviar marks a chic and exquisite lifestyle. See how to use it for pranking your friends. Make a thick red jelly. Pour hot water into a cup with jelly powder. Take a third of the water quantity indicated in the jelly instructions. Cool until lukewarm. Take a cup of frozen oil. Keep it in the fridge overnight to turn it into a jelly-like substance. Suck the red jelly into a syringe. Drop it into the frozen oil. Make sure you've taken the jelly caviar out of the oil before it melts. Use a spoon or a sifter. Keep in mind that if the oil melts before you remove the jelly drops, they may deform and stick to each other. The jelly drops look exactly like red caviar. Put the fake caviar into tarts. It's so tempting. It looks so much like the real stuff, you'll never tell it's a fake. Still, there's no specific smell. Maybe she has a stuffed nose, or she just won't guess to smell the red caviar. Let's check it. She takes a caviar tart. It looks like the true delicacy, the food of the gods. Though it tastes absolutely different. It's not caviar. It can't be sweet. I don't want to eat it anymore. What's better, gummy raspberries or walnuts? What about a combination of the two? We'll need a walnut. Crack it carefully using an awl or a knife. Make sure not to damage the nutshell. Take out the kernel. Put in a raspberry gumdrop. Hot glue the shell halves to shape a nut. Go for a walk with your friend. Ask her to take a picture of you. While she's getting ready, take out your walnuts. What a wonderful shot with the dog! Oh look, there are walnuts! Your friend brings a stone to crack the nuts. Wow, there's a gummy berry inside. They say candies don't grow on trees. They do. Or is it an environmental problem? Has your friend forgotten to take milk again? It's okay. Shift yours to her. You'll need an empty milk carton. Cut off the bottom. Fold the flaps inside. Put it on a Coca-Cola can. Your friend's going to pour some milk and oops, surprise! Well, if I can't add milk to my flakes, I'll drink some cola, and you eat the flakes yourself. Make an unusual milk dessert for your friend. Take a container to fit an ice cream bar. Cover the bottom with foil. Put in sour cream. Set a square piece of cardboard to form a bar-shaped mold. Put it in a freezer. When hardened, take it out of the foil. Correct the shape using a knife. Take off a waffle from the real ice cream bar. Put it on top of the fake one. Cut off the excess. Add another waffle. Put on the wrapping of the real ice cream. Decorate the dessert with gummies and wait for your friend. She tastes the piece. Though it looks palatable, it's far from being as tasty as she expects. The frozen sour cream tastes hardly like her favorite dessert. Is it a new ice cream recipe? Prank your friend with a special face toner. You'll need an empty bottle of face toner. Add mineral water. Pour water into the bottle. Close with the top. No one will notice the difference. Your friend applies the toner on her face. Suddenly, I take it and drink from her bottle. She's bewildered. It contains grape extract. You know I adore grapes. Besides, it looks like Sprite. Compare the bottles. The color is the same. She wants to taste it, but there's no trace of grapes or Sprite. Well, actually, it's mineral water inside. A perfect toner substitution, by the way. I can drink my Sprite now. What a nice cookie. Unlike this one, it contains a special filling. You'll need sandwich cookies. Carefully remove the filling out of the center. Put mustard instead. Then mayonnaise and ketchup. Remove the excess. Cover it with the other cookie layer. We're having tea. I treat my friend with the cookies. She chooses one with a weird filling. Oh no! The cookie with mustard is an awful combination. She wants me to try it. Okay, I'll take the risk and choose another one. I certainly take the cookie without any strange fillings, while she thinks I'm insensitive to the unusual taste. My friend's constantly making a mess on her desk. It's time to teach her a lesson. She should tidy up her working place at last. Smash cookies into crumbs. Add a little sugar and cocoa. Mix well. Pour in some milk. You can add condensed milk instead. Make thick brown dough. Put it in a pile into a cup. Make a peak on top. Place it on your friend's desk in the very center of her mess. She sits down and, oops, gets caught into my trap. And what did you expect? This is the right thing to find in such a mess. You should put everything in order. She seems to have learned the lesson as she finally spruces up her desk and finds evidence of the crime, my chocolate cup. What's this? Chocolate with cookies. It's clear now. Do you prefer a lollipop flavored with strawberry, banana, peach, or citric acid? Make a special flavor for your friend. Open up an ordinary lollipop. Be sure not to tear up the wrapping. Put 2 teaspoons of sugar into a cup. Add the same quantity of citric acid. Add 2 spoonfuls of water. Mix up and put the cup in the microwave. We've got the sourest caramel ever. Dip in the lollipop. When hardened, put it into the wrapping. Treat your friend with the lollipop. She licks it. Phew! What's this? It tastes more like a lemon, but not candy. It's gone sour. Or is it another prank? If you took your friend's jacket, take a chance to prank her again. Take your friend's jacket. Sew down the pocket. Your friend tries to tuck her hand into her pocket. What's wrong? It's disappeared. The jacket seems to get a new design. It's a without a pocket style. Did you like the new pranks? Write in your comments what you're going to cook. Fake caviar or floured candy drops? Or would you like to make a chocolate dough pile to prank your it been a long time since you pranked your friends? It's the right time to do it. Watch this video and have fun. It's great fun to turn your room into a nail salon and prank your friend with a weird nail polish. We'll need hair gel, clear stationery glue, and red coloring. Mix up the ingredients. It looks like strawberry jam at first. Let's add a thickener. Put in a little borax to turn it thick and sticky. Now it looks like real slime. Sprinkle with glitter. Knead it to spread the glitter all over the substance. We've got shimmering red slime. Tuck it into an empty nail polish bottle. Place it among the regular polishes. My friend chooses the bright red from other colors. Oh, what's wrong with the polish? It's too thick and stretches out of the bottle. How can I push it back? Actually, I like the polish. Maybe it's time to set a new manicure trend in fashion. What should I call the slime in a glue stick container? A glue slime stick? Spray shaving cream into a bowl. Pour in clear glue. Mix it up. Add Persil Color Gel laundry detergent. Stir again. We've got soft and elastic white slime. It stretches perfectly and doesn't stick to your hands. Tear off a piece and tuck it into a glue stick container. My friend needs some glue. She takes my glue stick, but there's a sticky substance instead of glue inside. It can hardly attach anything, but you'll definitely enjoy playing with it. A bottomless envelope? It's a great school prank idea. Cut off the bottom of a plastic envelope across the very edge. Then, the sides will be put close to each other and no one will notice the hole in the bottom. My friend needs an empty envelope. I give her my special one. She carefully puts in all of her papers, snaps it, and oops! All of her papers fell on the desk. This envelope can be used only as a cap. Does your friend like playing tricks? Let's see whose trick will be better. I'm writing when she suddenly pushes the desk with her legs so that it moves up and down. She stops writing at the moment while I make an untidy scribble. Okay, I'll make her regret it. Take chalk, shade the underside of the desk at the place where your friend sits. Aha! She's back. She'll see what will happen if she tries to push the desk again. I start writing and she continues making her desk tricks. Come on, the chalk's been working. It's time. Let her look at her jeans. Yes, it's chalk. You'll have to wash them. I've paid her back for my spoiled writings. What about a chocolate cake? Don't hurry to agree. This cake has a weird taste. Take a piece of hard cheese. Melt chocolate to make a glaze. Put a cup with chocolate pieces into a bowl of water. Put it into a microwave. When the chocolate melts, pour it over the cheese to cover it completely. How sweet! Decorate it with bright sprinkles. Put it in the fridge to cool. Treat your friend with the cake. Cut it to see an unusual filling. Bite first for her to see it is edible. However, the taste is weird. You'd better make a sandwich. Time to solve a riddle. What is ball-shaped, yellow, and sweet? Is it an orange? No, it's our sweet tennis ball. We'll need yellow sugar paste. Sprinkle a wooden board with confectioner's sugar or starch. Roll out a round shape. Add a filling. It's a peeled orange. Wrap it in the paste. Tear off the excess and smooth the paste. Make a notch with a brush handle to imitate a tennis ball pattern. Roll a piece of white sugar paste. Apply some water on the notch. Attach the white detail. My friend didn't expect I adored tennis so much that I'm going to eat a tennis ball. Don't worry, darling. There's a special orange ball inside. Does it take too long for your friend to get dressed? It's time to prank her with her pants. Turn a pant leg wrong side out. Attach double-sided tape. Turn it right side out. Carefully peel off the protective coat. Press over to attach the fabric to the tape. Your friend gets dressed. What's wrong? She tries to put on her pants but can't push her leg in. She'll have to wear something else. I've got sticky blush and I'm going to prank my friend with it. Pour clear glue into a bowl. Mix it with hair gel. Add a little borax. Stir up to get a smooth, stretchy substance. This slime is semi-transparent and quite thick. Crush a few blush balls into powder and sprinkle it over the slime. Knead well to blend. Put the slime into an empty blush container. Place a few blush balls on top. My friend's doing her makeup. I offer her my new blush. She tries to get it with her brush, but certainly fails. You can knead it and stretch this incredible blush slime, but you can't apply it on your face. My friend keeps using my makeup. I hope this prank will make her stop it at last. Combine hair gel, clear glue, and borax. Add white and pink glitter. Fold the slime and knead it to spread the glitter. Tuck the slime into a clean gloss vial. My friend's tried all my makeup. Let her take this lip gloss. She opens the vial. There's something wrong. There's a weird substance she doesn't like to apply on her lips. She keeps pulling it out to understand what it actually is. Prank your friend with a DIY lip tint and test a popular recipe at the same time. We've made DIY lip tint from a recipe on the internet. We've mixed white glue with food coloring. My friend wanted to test it for a long time. Apply the tint on her lips. She's excited at first as she likes me to do her makeup, but gradually her excitement turns to irritation. The glue and coloring mixture is not a lip-friendly substance. Finally, she manages to smudge the tint off her lips. The result hasn't impressed either. The tint didn't color the lips smoothly, but made them extremely dry. Now she'll have to moisturize them. I'll also play a trick on my friend and test a popular internet recipe. Brow tint this time. Add black food coloring to a gelatin solution. Apply the DIY tint on your brows. Set an alarm for 40 minutes and wait. They say in the recipe that the tint should cool, but it keeps the same consistency as at the beginning. Finally, it's time to see the result. My friend rubs off the tint with a napkin, and what? Nothing! A waste of time and nothing else. Still, I've pranked her back for my dried lips. If your friend is a fan of skincare products, I can prank her with my special cream. Take another piece of the slime we made for the glue stick prank. Put it into an empty cream container. My friend is busy talking on her phone. I leave the magic cream next to her. She opens it and sees a weird sticky substance. Is it a new rejuvenation treatment? It's sticky and stretchy. Or is it cool slime? Sure! Now you've got lots of different slimes to prank your friends with. Write in your comments which slime you liked the most.